Hi, Corrosion folks. I'm delighted to introduce to you today a new paper appearing in the August 2023 issue of Corrosion. I'm John Scully. I'm the technical editor of Corrosion Journal. The paper I'll talk to you about involves additive manufacturing or 3D printing in dissolving, in this particular case, by laser powder bed fusion. The paper concerns 316L stainless steel stress corrosion cracking. As you know, AM is a new processing route that can provide tunable properties and tunable attributes and can reduce some of the costs of machining, particularly in complex components, complex geometries. As you also know, properties of tier 1 properties such as strength and ductility are often the same in additive manufacturing as in rod. In fact, sometimes they're even better. This is not necessarily the case in corrosion, and I think there needs to be a lot more done to look at the corrosion properties of additively manufactured materials. This particular paper talks about applied stress, temperature, and stress relief on stress corrosion cracking susceptibility. And the authors find that it's highly susceptible to SCC, particularly at pinholes and at structural supports that support the printing of complex geometries. The paper is out of Curtin University, and it's been done as a part of Ricardo Santamaria's PhD thesis. I really like the paper, and I think you'll enjoy it too. So please check it out in the August issue of Corrosion. Thank you.